In this video, we will show you how to send USDT Binance to a Telegram wallet. If you guys want to get started with Binance, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Then, select Fiat and Spot from the wallet menu. Now, choose USDT as the coin you want to withdraw. Next, click on Withdraw and select the appropriate network, e.g. TRC20 for USDT on the Tron network. Copy your Telegram wallet address. You can find this by opening the Telegram app, searching for the @wallet pod and selecting the option to receive USDT. Now paste the Telegram wallet address into the withdrawal field on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Confirm the transaction and complete any required security steps such as two-factor authentications or 2FA. Wait for the transfer to be processed. The transfer time may vary depending on the network and the amount being transferred. So that's how to send USDT Binance to Telegram wallet. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.